Simply Cards and Papercraft magazine. This is issue 210. Wow. This has just a wonderful stamp set. Look at this. This is from Alt and New. There are 19 pieces to it, and it's a pretty substantial size, as you can see. Now, the bells are layering bells, so that's fun. You can see the sprigs, looks like mistletoe to me. December to remember, Christmas memories, believe in the magic, joyful traditions, holiday fun, good cheer, lots of things. So anyway, these are the three that are the layering stamps for the bell. But let's see what the design team has done, and they've done some marvelous things. Let's see. Okay, so here is what you're going to get, and then some step-by-step how to do that layering bell, just in case that's new for anyone. And then I love the ideas, just oh so pretty and very simple looking yet striking, which is always a great combination. Here are some more. This is how to make a wreath with that stamp, because the stamps are single ones, so you can do some stamping. And you'll notice that some of the stamps are lighter than others. That's a stamping off method. So this is going to give you the step-by-step method to do that. Whether you do it with the sprig of mistletoe or you make a circle of bells, either way, that's just really, really nice. And let me see. So what I do each time is I go through and just look at things that really captured my eye. I thought this was just beautiful. Using the blending brushes along the edge and doing some embossing powder with the white embossing powder. And again, step by step how to do that. So that's really nice. And it's nice to have it all together with the product. Now this is a section on slider cards. They're so much fun to do. We've done them in Teresa's DVDs on card making, but here it is in book form, and so you can see how that is done. And all of the instructions are either in centimeters or they're in inches. So, you know, Google those centimeters if you're not sure how to use them. This is just a really beautiful look, and it is using that stamp, or it's also how to do this with to ink and emboss panels. So it's not really using the stamps, but it's using embossing folders, which is just a beautiful look. It's called a letterpress look, so it is very much a tone-on-tone look, so you get that included. We're back to using the stamp set, and as you can see, very simple looking cards, so they're going to be fast to make, but just really lovely to do. So that's nice to have. And there's more on the back side. Again, step by step. They've really been generous with that this issue, and that's great to have. And here are some more. So just really and actually, you don't have to use too many colors of paint either, so that's really nice. And Alt and New is a US company, so that's nice to see. And then here we've got some tags, we've got some gift wrap, and boy, take a look at that. I think it is just lovely. Using jute, maybe some little bells, and using the stamps. It's gorgeous. I think I'm going to steal that. Do you see this bow on the top? Well, they're going to show you how to do that step by step. So nice. Here are more, just a gorgeous tag that's beautiful. I think I'd leave the December to remember off of it and put a to and from and put it on a package. And we have more ideas there and more right here. So there's that gift wrap, just using white paper and then doing some stamping. Just a great idea. And then we've got some ideas here for using buttons or using gemstones, just some really cute ideas. Might be fun to do with the child in your household. And doing buttons, which you know we have the buttons galore buttons and the hunky-dory buttons. And here, this is Bargello, which is a style of using for stitchery, but it works well with paper. And years ago, Sarah Newman and I did a webisode on doing Bargello with some dazzles, as I recall, but here it is with paper. So all those scraps that you have been saving, here is a way to use them. You can just see lots of ideas, and you are also going to get more step-by-step photos. So really a nice look. Get the scraps out and put them together by color, and you will have a really good time using them up. So Simply Cards and Papercraft issue 210 with an absolutely stunning stamp set. all together, all now, and exclusively here at paperwishes.com.